Okay, this is your homework assignment workbook 11.2, and this is starting at page 203 at the bottom. Okay, Aiko works in the fish department of a pet store. That's just information we don't need. She is asked to drain, clean, and refuel 2 reef tanks. The first tank holds, this tank holds this much of water. The second tank holds 200 gallons of water. The hose she uses drains the tank at drains the tank at a rate of 25 gallons per hour. So 25 gallon per means times the number of hours. Hey, look, here it says X for hours. X. Okay. So, this is draining. So when it drains, that means it's going out. So it's a minus. So whatever, this word and is now a minus, not a plus, okay? So, write an equation for each tank that represents the total amount of water, okay? The total amount of water in gallons, Y. Okay, for each tank. So Y equals for each tank. Okay, tank number 1, the first one. First tank has 175 gallons of water, and you're going to drain it. So drain is a minus 25 gallons for each hour times the number of hours. Okay, so this is your first one. 75 drains that much. Okay, your second one is holds this much, so it starts out with 200 gallons of water. Okay, this is your second one. And it drains the same amount. She's using the same hose to drain it. So it's draining 25 gallons per hour. Same tank. That's it. How much water's in each tank after 3 hours? Well, X, remember, is the number of hours. So X equals to 3. So we got Y, the first one. The first one is Y equals 175 minus 25X. And the second one is Y equals 200 minus 25X. Okay, after 3 hours, how much in each tank? How much water in each tank? There are blank gallons in the first tank and blank gallons in the second tank. So we're answering the question, how much water? There are blank gallons of water in the first tank and blank gallons in the second tank, not take. Okay, let's do the first one. 3 hours. Well, 175 minus 25 times 3, oh, that's 75. That's easy. It's 100 gallons. Second one, same thing. Times 3, that's 75. Well, that's easy. 125, right? There we go. Let's look at the second page. You can use the internet, son. Do you have a question for me?
No, I can't use the internet.
You can. What happened?
It won't let me use the internet.
Oh, it won't let you at all?
Uh-huh.
It just stopped?
Mm-hmm.
Isaac! Can Bryce use your internet? For some reason, your dad's computer is not working. Well, let's forget the tables. Oh, no, let's use... your computer, son. He needs Google Dictionary, right? Google Translate. First tank is, what, 175 minus 25x. Second tank is 200 minus 25. And you can only do the 3. 0 or 4. 4 is easy. 5, I guess they're easy because it's 0, 0, 175 is 175. 0 is 200. 0 hours. That's how much water's in the tank, okay? 0 hours, put 0 in here. Of course, 0 in there. You get that, okay? That's how we get that. Now 1 hour times 1 is 25, right? 25 in both. 75 minus 25 is 150. Minus 25 is 175. So, and then 2 hours is 50. So you minus 50, it's 125. 150. Notice it's going down 25 each time. Okay, so that would be 100 minus 25 is here. Notice they'll never meet because the slope is the same. You put 75 here, that's 100 here, 50 here, and 75 here, 25 here, 50 here, 0. In 7 hours, it'll be 0 for the first tank. The second tank, there's 25 gallons left. So there's never a time where they meet. Okay, let's forget the lower and upper bound. Just the intervals. The intervals for time is 1. So you need to put here time in hours. Okay, and the other one is gallons of water, right? In tank. Okay, it's up to 200, the highest. So your highest is 200. So 200 here. So knowing that, I can count by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Yeah, by 10. Okay, so this is gallon water in tanks by the gallon. Okay, and we're going to do by tens here, so it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Hour, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, count by 1. So either we use the slope or the graph, whichever way. It's easy to do, so we can do 75, 175, 180. Here's 170. 175 is here. And go down 25 each time. Okay. We can go down 25. That's down 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Right? Over 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 over 1. Okay, either you do that and get the same answer as here. At 2, it's 125. At 2, notice it's at 125. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 over 1. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 over 1. Okay, until the very end at 7 hours at 0, right? We don't need all those dots. Just like this, connect the dots. Yes.